Good day. This is going to be fill a series. We're here in Microsoft Excel, and let's say that you want to put numbers in front of each one of these students. Number them all the way from 1 all the way to the bottom. You might just type in a 1 and enter 2, enter 3, enter 4, enter 5, enter 6, enter 7, enter, and you could just keep doing that till you get to the end. What are you going to do if there's 1,800 people on the list? Are you going to type in every single number all the way to 1,800? I don't think so. There's got to be an easier way, and there is. In fact, there's several ways to do it. One way is to type in the number 1, enter, type in the number 2, enter, and that's all. You've typed in enough. You typed in the 1, enter, 2, enter. Now, highlight the pattern, both the 1 and the 2. Let go of the mouse. Now let's grab that little copy handle and pull the copy handle down, and poof, you have a series of numbers. That's called fill a series. There's many ways to fill a series, and you don't have to have them go by onesies. You can have them go by almost any number you want. Let's say the first one's 5 and the next one's 10. Enter them both in. I got the 5 entered, I got the 10 entered. Highlight the pattern. After the pattern is highlighted, let go of the mouse. Now grab the copy handle, pull it down, and hey, you filled a series and it's jumping by 5s. You can step by any number you want. You could say 100, enter, 200, enter. You got them both entered in. Highlight the pattern. If you teach the computer what the pattern is, he will follow your pattern. He'll fill your pattern all the way down. Let's look at it. Oh, there's another fast way to do that, even faster than making a pattern and copying it down, and that is just to put in the first number, enter it in, and this time we'll get on it. And instead of highlighting a pattern, we're just going to highlight one of them, and instead of pulling down the copy handle with the left mouse button, we're going to choose the right mouse button. So I'm going to pull it down with the right mouse button, and when I get down there I let go and it says, what do you want to do? I want to fill a series. Fill a series, he's done. Let's look at an example of that. Here are presidents that were elected at certain years. I know that President Nixon was first elected in 1968, and now I want to jump by 4s because I know that the elections happen every 4 years. So I can get on this one. I could, I suppose, just type the next one, 1972, enter, highlight the pattern, let go of the mouse, grab the handle, now pull the mouse down, and there you go. I've stepped by 4s. There is a faster way to step by 4s, and that is to use that right-click idea. You get your first one typed in, it's in. Now we're going to copy it down. Instead of using the left mouse button, we're going to use the right mouse button. So I'll pull it down with the right mouse button, and it says, what do you want to do? It says I want to make a series. I don't want to do fill series, otherwise it'll jump by 1s, but I don't want to jump by 1s. I want to jump by 4s. So I'm going to define a series down here, and it says, where do you want to step by? I want to step by 4s. Okay. Then poof, he steps by 4s. Let's look at another example. We know that the days of the week will fill a series automatically. If you just have any day of the week and you pull it down, you can get all the other days of the week. If you have a month, it doesn't matter which month it is. If you grab the copy handle and pull it down, you'll get all the months. We know that. But what if you don't want every single day of the week? Maybe you only want the weekdays. You don't want these Saturdays, Sundays. You don't want Saturdays, Sundays. Maybe you have a list of just work days. So let's learn how to just do the weekdays. We'll type in the Monday. Let's get rid of this. So we have one of them in, and here's what you do. You're going to pull down the handle with the right mouse button. Pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, and then let go of the right mouse button. It says, what do you want to do? Fill in the weekdays? Yes, I only want to fill in the weekdays. There it is, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then it starts Monday again. What if you didn't want all the months of the year? What if you wanted just a bunch of Marches? Maybe sometimes you want that. You say, I just want to copy March. And if you pull it down, you're not going to get March, are you? There's two ways to copy down a day of the week or a month of the year. The first one is to hold down the Control key on the keyboard as you're pulling down the copy handle. So now I'm going to hold down the Control key. Look at the mouse. It's got a little plus next to the plus. I'm going to pull down that copy handle with the mouse and then let go. Hey, look at that. I copied. If you hold down the Control when you're pulling the copy handle, it'll copy for you. The other way to do that is to right mouse. Hold it down with the right mouse, pull it all the way down, and then say, all I want to do is copy the cells. I don't want to do a series. I just want to copy the cells. Now we all know that these days of the week either abbreviated or spelled out, and these months of the year either abbreviated or spelled out. We know that they are a known name. The computer knows those names. they already have a custom list associated with them. But what if you wanted to make your own list? Perhaps you're always making your own list. Your list might look like this. Do you know what the next one's going to be? Do you know what the next one's going to be? Well, maybe some people know, some people don't. The next one's going to be, do you know what it is? Do you know what the next one is? I bet you don't know that one. Maybe you do. So maybe you have a big long list like this and you think, I wish I could just type in the first one, grab the handle and pull it down and I'll get all the ones I want. I want to make my own custom list. Here's how you do it. To make your own custom list, you need the Excel options. You give it a click, and then down over here, you can't see it, but believe me, it's down there. It says Excel options. Under Excel options, you look for the popular options, and under popular options, it says edit custom lists. Let's give it a click. Here's the custom lists, and here is why the computer knows those days of the week abbreviated, those days of the week spelled out, months abbreviated, and months spelled out, because they're on this custom list. So if you want to make your own custom list, you just make it like this. Enter after each one. Once you get your list just the way you want it, you just do add and then OK. OK on the big options down here. There they are. Now, when you type it in, enter it in, you can grab the copy handle, pull it down, and you get what you had before. Hey, that's about all there is to it.